So we're back on the Volkswagen Polo 1.4 TDi, and it's the 9-end chassis. We're going to do a popular modification to the exhaust, which is known as a mufflerectomy. You chop off the rear exhaust muffler, you replace it with a straight section of pipe, and it does increase the noise, but it also reduces the restriction that's in there. Simple job, angle grind the thing off and weld in a straight bit of pipe that we got off eBay. We're going to undo these two bolts and try and break this off. We'll probably have to hit it with the mallet a few times so we can rotate the back section of the pipe so we can weld round about it, and it makes it much easier for cutting. So since Big Dave is such a sensible chap, he has suggested that when we cut the pipe, we use the dirty end for our welding, which allows us to have the nice clean manufactured side for putting on the end of the exhaust, which people will actually see. So if that'll focus, does that focus on the end?
Yeah.
Compared to the dirty end. So that's what we'll see. Good idea, Big Dave, again. One exhaust, chopped off. Oh, got some. If you're going to be MIG welding on a car, make sure you get one of these to clip onto the battery so that you don't send 8 bazillion volts through it. It's not good for the ECU. What's next? Weld the bracket on? Yes. Custom bracket. Custom bracket. Yeah.
Big Dave has welded and Paul is going to start.
Is it recording?
Yes, Paul, it is recording. It's now a tractor.